What do you do when you receive a terrifically horrifying health diagnosis? How do you handle it? How do you move forward? Hi, my name is Annette Mulligan, and I'm with A. Mulligan Speaks. I am a health and wellness advocate, trainer, presenter, coach, and author. I am also legally blind. I started to lose my sight at 21, and the doctor said, basically get ready to go blind because that's what's going to happen. Now, that kind of diagnosis can just stop you in your tracks, can cause you to say, oh, I'm giving up. There's just no reason to try to move forward. I'm losing my sight. But the reality is that with 3 questions that I will pose in one of my presentations about losing sight, gaining vision, your group or organization will learn that these 3 questions can help anyone discover there is so much more. There is a reason to keep going forward. These 3 questions helped me to be able to move from where I was to where I am now. And in answering those questions, they gave me the understanding that yes, I was losing my visual sight, but I was gaining a vision for the kind of life that I wanted to live, and I'm living now. And I would love to share those principles, those 3 questions with you, your organization, group, individually, to help you understand how to deal with health crisis situations that come along in life. It really doesn't matter what they are, if it's a disability or a health crisis, a chronic illness. There are ways to mentally and emotionally prepare yourself and to work through the challenges that come along so that you can come out stronger and be able to live that kind of independent, abundant, and joy-filled life that you desire. I would like to invite you to connect with me, and let's have a conversation about how we can make this presentation happen for you or your group. Thank you.